Notice it happens faster. You gonna run another one, Nicholas?
Negative.
Okay. So this still didn't show what I wanted to show. I'm gonna run one more. If this doesn't do it, I'll give up.
Make it extreme.
Pardon?
Make it extreme so it happens.
I want it to happen and not happen too fast. I'm gonna increase the gain to 1. I'll make it 2. I'll make it 2. I'm gonna increase the gain to 2. There's 0.2 before, I think.
Just point to it.
Now, in the event that one is also running an experiment, this ought to start up pretty soon, right? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. Oh, that must be beyond KCU. There's still a KCU. Can't get around that. This is probably higher than, what was the gain here, 2? Probably higher than KCU. So, scratch this experiment. Let's go ahead and see what happens. I'm going to run this again. Probably 2-minute delay. 2-minute warning.
It is oscillating.
Pardon? It's oscillating right there on the set point. All right. Wait about 4 more seconds and something exciting is going to happen. This is not a very cool demonstration, but it is still a demonstration. I guess we have to wait till this finishes. Bang. Is that copy just a picture?
No idea.
Thank you. Same picture as. Okay.
You can control screenshot.
Pardon?
You can screenshot to get that.
How do you do that?
Move the screen to whatever area you want.
Oh, and do
Then control and hit
Okay.
print screen.
All right, so now I saved that in a place called My Pictures, didn't it? And if I double click this, it opens here in something called, it opens in the browser. So, notice, I can tell you this, that on the, you see these dots right here, da, 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 that's 100%. That's the max, that's 100%. It's the thing, we call that pegged. Pegged at 100%. And it stays there for this period of time. That's called wind up. And it has to stay there until this, until the output is higher than the set point long enough for it to come back down. So that if you can run an experiment with wind up, I'd like you to demonstrate wind up. And there's an example of it. Smaller house of I and larger case of C. Will you tolerate my running one more? That's not 101. Where's 101? That it? Well, this, where is it? That's not it, is it? Huh?
So the second
such a large controller gain so that it's not with a smaller house of I. I'm gonna try 0.1, see what happens. This is called trial and error. If I were more diligent, I would have done this trial and error beforehand, come in here and acted like I just knew everything and sort of crazy. By the way, Michael, did you send me an email asking me why there's not something in the denominator? I can't find my book. Did anybody steal my book? Did I lose it? Well, I have done that. I can't find it at home, can't find it in my office. Yeah, I took it from me. Anybody have a book that can loan me? Which book? I don't like this one either. Oh, thank you, Jessica. I won't lose it. I won't
Try not to
lose
rip any pages
it.
out.
Pardon?
I said, try not to rip any pages out.
Try not to rip any pages out. Why do you think I do that?
I've seen it done before.
Is it in this class, then?
That's reset wind up. It stayed there for about 10 seconds, pegged, before it came down and started doing some control again. The way I got this to happen was to make the delta R so that it was very close to the maximum of the operating range over here. My delta R was 60. So from 10, no, it was 65, wasn't it? You go from 10 up to 75 for the set point. So that's called wind up. It's a unfortunate condition that you don't like to have happen. Because for 10 seconds there, it wasn't actually doing any controlling. It was all wound up. Anybody ever gotten wound up? Anybody ever been with somebody who was wound up? It's sometimes it's dangerous to be with somebody who's gotten all wound up, particularly if they have judo skills or something. I can't think of anything else to say. Let me do this first. One more thing I can show you. I can show you what the weekly assignment schedule is for portion of the experiment. Here it is, here it is, here it is. So you can read this. Oh, it's called reset wind up. Oh, one other thing. All right, one more thing. Promise this is the end. This is the end. I'm going to go back to one of these experiments. I'm going to go back to this experiment. I'm going to use a reasonable value of controller gain and a user value, reasonable value of this. I'm going to do it faster and make it smaller. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do something with these dampers here. I'm going to have it closed for 10 seconds and then open for 10 seconds. And this one closed for 25 seconds and open for 25 seconds. This ought to be interesting. So I'm changing the load on the system by opening and closing some dampers. And the PI controller can handle it. Damper's open, the controller says, oh, let's speed it up. Damper's closed, pressure rose, controller says, oh, let's slow it down. They opened again at 25, controller says, oh, let's speed this up. Opened again, it says, let's speed it up more. They closed, pressure went up, controller says, oh, let's slow it down. So for pressure and temperature, those are the only ones that have that valve open and closed. So I'd like for you to do some of that too. All right, that's all.
So